Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Gagan, currently pursuing 77 Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today we will discuss about cloud computing. So today we will discuss about research paper about cloud computing issues and challenges. So cloud computing has a revolutionized the way of business and individual store access and process data. So this transformative technology offer upper scalability, flexibility, and cost efficiency. However, as any disruptive innovations, cloud computing brings its own set of changes concerns. The research papers involves into a multifaceted world of cloud computing, exploring its benefits while critically examining the issues of organizing phases when adapting the maintenance cloud-based systems. From security vulnerabilities to compliance complexity, we negotiate through the intricate landscape of cloud computing and providing insights to the obstacles of IT professional business leaders and policymakers must understand challenges so we can work towards developing robust solutions and maximize the potential technology while migrating its risks. Next, we will discuss about introduction to the cloud computing. So, origins cloud computing concepts emerged in 1960s with the time sharing and utility computing and evolving through the grid computing in 1990s. So, modern era. So, the term cloud computing gained popular in the early 2000s. The Amazon Web Services launching in 2006 and making the beginning of widespread adaptations. And current state. Today, cloud computing encompasses a vast ecosystem of services including IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS, powering everything from small startups to the global enterprises. So, cloud computing refers to the delivery of computing services including server, storage, database, and networking, software analytics, and intelligence over the internet. To offer the vast innovation, flexible resources, and economic of scale, the model has transformed the IT landscape and enabling the business to access powerful computing resources on demand without need of significant upfront investment in hardware and infrastructure. Next is what are the benefits of cloud computing? First is cost efficiency. Cloud computing eliminates the need of expensive hardware investments and reduces the IT operational cost and allowing the business to pay only for the resources they use. So scalability. Cloud services can easily scale up or down, meeting changes demands. So providing flexibility for business for all sizes to adjust their computing resources as need. So global accessibility, cloud-based applications and data can be accessed from anywhere with the internet connection and facilitating the remote work and global collaborations. The automatic updates, the cloud providers handle system maintenance and update, ensuring the business always have access to latent features and security patches without any manual intervention. The These are the benefits of driven widespread adaptation of cloud computing across the industrial, enabling digital transmission and innovations at pace. However, it is crucial to balance these advantages against the challenges uh, that could cloud adaptation presents. Next is we will discuss about security and privacy concerns. Next, the first one is data branches, the cloud environment that can be targeted by sophisticated cyber attacks, potentially by exposing the sensitive data to unauthorized access. The organization must implement robust security measures and encryption protocols to protect and their information. Inside threats, the cloud providers, employees, or miscellaneous insiders within an organization may access the sensitive data. So, access control and monitoring systems. Next is shared responsibility model. The understanding the division of security responsibilities between the cloud provider and the customer is crucial. The misconfigurations due to the unclear responsibilities can lead to the vulnerabilities. Next is privacy regulations. The compliance with the data protection like GDPR and CCPA becomes more complex in cloud environment, and easily when the data is stored across the multiple multi-geographic locations. The addressing these security and privacy concerns requires comprehensive approach, including the regular security alerts and employee training and implementation of advanced threat detections and prevention systems. Next, we will discuss about sovereignty and compliance issues. Data sovereignty refers to the concept that the data is a subject, the laws and governance structures of country in which the collected or processed. This represents the challenges of cloud computing, as the data may be stored or transmitted across the multiple jurisdictions. So compliance challenges, the organizations must navigate a compliance web of international regulations, including GDPR and HIPAA and industry-specific standards, ensuring the compliance across different regions while maintaining operational efficiency that can be dating. Solutions to address these issues, the compliance are adapting the regional specific law services, implementing the data residency controls, and leveraging technologies like data encryptions and tokenizations to maintain the compliance while benefiting from cloud computing. The evolving landscape of international data regulations requires organizations to stay and vigilant and adaptable in their close strategies to ensuring ongoing compliance and data protection. Vendor lock-in and interoperability challenges. So initial adaptations. The organization chooses a cloud provider based upon current needs and available features, and often investing highly in provider specific technology and services. So growing dependence. A reliance on cloud services increases by business become more deeply and integrated with their chosen providers ecosystems, and making difficult to switch and use the multiple providers. The interoperability issues, the differences in API data formats and service architecture between the cloud providers, and secret challenges when adapting to migrate or interrogate services across the platforms. Some multi-cloud strategies to mitigate vendor lock-in, organizations and increasingly adapting the multi-cloud approaches using containerization and cloud and agnostic tools, and enhancing the flexibility to reduce the dependency of a single provider. Next, we will discuss about migration and integration obstacles assessment, evaluating the existing infrastructure, application, and data for the cloud readiness, and identifying the potential compatibility issues and security concerns. Planning, developing a comprehensive migration strategies, including a timeliness, resource allocation, and risk migration plans, and chooses appropriate migration methods. So execution, implementing the migration plan and transferring the application and data to the cloud environment, address the integration challenges with the existing systems and workflows. And optimization, fine-tune cloud services, resources and configurations to maximize the performance and cost efficiency, implementing and monitoring and management tools for ongoing optimization. Next, we'll discuss about skill gaps and talent shortage. So, education, the university and the training institution are adapting the circular to include cloud computing skills, but the pace of the technological changes often outstrips educational programs. And certification, the cloud providers offer a certification programs to validate the skill, but the rapid evaluation of cloud technologies requires continuous learning and rectification. Talent acquisition. So organizations face a competition include recruiting the cloud skill professionals, often leading to the salary inflation and high turnover rates in the industries. And upskilling, the companies are investing in internal training programs to bridge the skill gaps, but the keeping space with the cloud innovations remains significant challenge. And next, we will discuss about cost management and optimization strategies. The resource right sizing, the analyze the usage patterns and adjust the cloud resources to match the actual needs, and avoiding the over provisioning and an unnecessary cost. Reserved instance, utilize a reserved instance for predictable workloads to benefit from significant discounts compared to on-demand pricing. So automated scaling, implement auto scaling to dynamically adjust the resource based upon demand and optimizing the performance while minimizing the cost. The cost monitoring tools leverage cloud cost management tools to gain visibility into a spending patterns and identify opportunities for optimization. So thank you guys for watching this video. So see you soon in the next video. So please like, share and subscribe.